Practitioner Britney Jackson at Jackson Health and Wellness Clinic, coming to you today to talk about hair loss. I will tell you, at the office, the biggest three complaints we hear are, number one, I'm tired all the time. That's a vlog for another day. Number two would be, I've gained weight. Go back and watch the other vlogs. We've already talked about weight gain. And the third would be, I'm losing my hair. Now, there can be a multitude of reasons of why people are experiencing hair loss. Number one, it can be just your genetics. Male pattern baldness, receding hairlines. A lot of that is just genes. It just is what it is. Other common causes can be hormonal deficiencies, can be vitamin and nutrient deficiencies, which can happen, speaking of weight, if you're losing weight and you're not doing it appropriately, meaning you're losing too much too fast, or you're not working with someone who is helping you to watch your nutritional intake to make sure that you are getting in what you need to get in. That's why you need to come see us for that. And the third, biggest one we're seeing right now is probably post-COVID shed or other viral illnesses that's causing people to have an excessive amount of hair loss. So all of those are the most common reasons that we experience hair loss. So while we are working on those things, we are correcting nutritional deficiencies, we are checking thyroid numbers, treating thyroid disorders, we're treating hormonal deficiencies. While we are doing all of that, we still need to regrow our hair. And like I said, some of that might not even be what's causing yours. It might not be something that we can necessarily reverse through those processes. So prior to that, we could do things like minoxidil, Rogaine, finasteride. Those are all medications that work for some people. You can go see the dermatologist. A lot of that stuff I just said is what they're going to do. Some other options include PRP or PRP with microneedling. There's always hair transplants too, but that's really expensive. PRP stands for platelet-rich plasma. It means we draw your blood, we spin it down, and there's this little level inside that tube that is full of growth hormones and all these lovely little factors that we want to help your body to produce new cells. We use PRP for lots of things. We can use it for joint injections, we use it with microneedling for, we call it the vampire facial. You can use it for hair restoration. So you can either do the PRP alone, so they inject the PRP all in the scalp, or you can do PRP with microneedling. Same thing that we would do on your face, we would do on your hair. Again, not painless, because we are talking needles. Hair transplant, not painless, and it's expensive. So what can we do to help regrow your hair that's not crazy expensive and doesn't cause pain? Introducing RIVE. Trust me, you're gonna want this. RIVE uses plant-based growth factors to help reactivate dormant hair follicles, re-nourish the scalp so that you grow your own hair naturally. People are having massive results from this. They're getting rid of the bald spots on the crown. If you're having widening of the part, it's closing up. You may notice your ponytail is thinner, it's thickening up. People are even saying that the new hair that's coming in is back to its regular pigment when they had gray before. That's how awesome this stuff is. And it does not hurt, not even a little bit. So how does RIVE work? We use our Aquafirm machine, which is awesome for facials. I'm just gonna throw that out for you now. You need to set up an Aquafirm facial because if you've had a hydrofacial, this is so much better. Anyway, we use that to thoroughly clean the scalp. So we wanna get rid of all the oils, dirt, products, get everything so the scalp is nice and ready to accept the RIVE. We put that on your head. We use an ultrasound wand to massage that in so it gets deep into the cells of the scalp. It does not hurt. It may be a little bit warm. People have fallen asleep during this treatment. That's how comfortable it is. No pain whatsoever. We give you some small vials of RIVE to take home for you to use in between treatments. It's a treatment at month 1, 2, 3, and 6, and then a maintenance every 6 months to maintain your results. People are seeing results as early as 6 weeks in, and it is insane the amount of hair that you will regrow with this system. Are you curious? Well, we are having a drive event on February the 7th here at the office from 5:30 to 7:30. Now, this is not like our typical open houses where it's just kind of come and go as you please. This is more of an educational consulting type event. Space is limited, so if you want to reserve your seat to learn more about Drive and get the discount that we offer, call the office now, 270-629-6722 to book your spot for our Drive evening on February 7th. If you can't wait till February 7th, call now anyway, make a consult. We'll talk all about Drive and get you started ASAP. And because I'm nice, I might still give you the discount. Give us a call at 270-629-6722. You can always find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. You can find us on our website at jacksonhealthandwellness.com or just stop by the office, 102 Physicians Boulevard, Suite B, here in Glasgow, Kentucky. I am super excited to introduce you to Drive and to help you regrow your hair naturally. Give us a call or we'll see you at our event. Have a great day.